So, with the development of computer and internet technologies, the use of technological products has become widespread. Now, just take a look around you. There's no one who does not use a computer or a smartphone. Everyone uses information technology in some way and lives with this technology. And this seems to be true in all areas of our lives. With the development of these technologies, security problems have increased. After all, these technologies are made by humans. So there have emerged a group of people who use the deficiencies that occur while it's being made. At first, people who used the shortcomings were just doing it for fun. In the beginning, simple tasks such as remotely accessing a computer belonging to someone else, maybe turning on the CD-ROM on and off and printing hello on the screen. They were pranks. However, this did not always continue. There have been a certain group of people who use such shortcomings to do illegal business, even steal financial information from others and use it for, let's just say themselves. Today we call these people hackers. Now here for our course, we define security as any action taken to prevent anyone from accessing any information or physical or virtual technology product that you have. We'll see in greater detail what these processes are. This means that security is the same for individuals and companies alike. The security of companies now ensures the safety of people. For example, imagine that you use social media. Here you share some of your own every day. You can use security settings to prevent someone you don't want accessing these shares. However, if there is a deficiency or an openness in the social media program, your settings for personal security will not work. In this case, the social media program should eliminate many security risks on your behalf.